guys, today we're trying the fruit roll-up ice cream trend. Spoon. Get your ice cream. Cookie dough. Get yourself a nice big glob of ice cream. That's not a glob of ice cream. A little bit more. There we go. Quickly wrap it up. Punch in the sides. Okay, there we go. Now let's try it. Ready? Cheers. Let us say, definitely recommend.